Hapo anakusubiria basi.
Hola. Kevo, how are you, Kevo? Yaje. What are you saying? Kevo, how are you? Tell me. For real. Yawano. I zim up. Good evening, Yawano. Come along, Maraja. Yawano, long Maraja. Catiore manegiro. Yawano. I see you, Aya, umerelease wa Kenya tunazidi kuwa bro. Who said that? Yeah, come along, Maraja. How are you, see? Long Maraja. Ya kolong Marade. Ya kolong Marade. Yawano. Mandios on the way. That lady with the white rose. Mandio, Domo juice, Baba. I Domo yeah. Domo juice also the vibe. Ya kono belonge maraja. Nyawano, you will be fine. Please pesa inakuja mera Nyawano. Gelonge maraja. Domo. Gelonge maraja. It's a beach vibe now. Gelonge maraja. Long maraja, belonge maraja. Go belong maraja. Yeah, yawano. Yeah, belonge marakwa. Adomono unagi. I love you, my people, guys. Keep on watching this Maka. This is a very special evening vibe with Maka Mugenda. Thank you so much, Jalel. Jalel, how are you, Jalel? I see some are watching on YouTube. Some are watching on TikTok. Yeah, guys, keep on watching. It's Maka Mugenda. Jalel, thank you so much. Keep on watching. We just keep on vibing. Ay. Yes, Baba. Jatugo. Yeah. Mugo. I am Mugo. We are here with Nyawan. Mama Kemi. Bado tunaomboleza kiongozi akimaka Mugenda. Next week hivi ni Hanza. Korir. Point taken, my brother. Dino nele kona Belo mara dane binga Belo mara dane binga Tikonya soya Belo mara dane binga Mugo Belo mara dane binga No mara dane binga. No mara dane binga. Ai sikimoso de vai. No mara dane binga. Mano jano maro nyasai. Mano jano maro nyasai. Allah okenda la yeah. I was talking to my ancestor. Talking to my ancestor. I'm really sorry, but I was just trying to communicating with my ancestor. You know, also you have to balance. Yeah, you have also sometimes you have to talk with your ancestor. So you know, when your ancestors are happy, everything is okay for you. Miss Kamau, hey Jaber, hey Miss Kamau, how are you? Long time. Miss Kamau Jaber, Rampanya, hey Nyadundu. Those are names found in Luomera. Chepkena. Nanga henya. Nango kwai. I see Miss Kamau doing the vibe. And remember, it's a traditional vibe with Maka. Are you my fine? Yeah. I see. Chapkena. Yeah. Zion lo son de vai. Ya ver mamá. Algo. Ya lindo mamá. Miss Kamau. Ya tutti mamá. Kani unasenya titi. Kiri yogi. Kani unasenya titi. Call them with the bang bang. Shibrumo. Ala ngoni rumba. Miss Kamau. Ya ver mamá. Yeah, I'm really happy, guys. Keep on watching. My name is Maka Mugena. This is a very special evening vibe, and this is how I do it. Not we do it. Onge noma, noma not onge boys. Noma not onge. Kamana ki noma no beda beda ki noma ne. Noma not onge. Onge noma not onge. Thanks so much, Miss Kamau, Miss Maka Mugenda. Yeah. There's some people of your culture found Ugandan base. Yeah. There's some Kenyan side. Tap, like and share. Hey. Bena. Wapo ni aje? Tunashukuru. Hola. I think I want to change the position because I'm not seeing very well, Omera. Yeah. I think this like this will be okay. Americano. Hi, Americano. Yeah. Connect also the vibe. Americano. I see my guys. Kevo, also the vibe. How are you? I see Wolf. Nichols on the vibe. Yeah. Bati Bali also on the vibe. Bali. Alexa. Mwangi Baba. You're free also the vibe. Mwangi Baba. Stephanie. Remember this evening vibe with Maga Mugenda, the banga. Irino, Miss Kamau, Nagubali bro, Jackson Kulangoma. Are you dancing, Jackson? Jackson Kulangoma. Vivo, joy. Americano! Well, also the one. Well, Maggie, Connie, Alexia. Well, Mama, can you say I don't need I want to shake a back. Alexi, yeah. Alexi dancing. Ale, have you seen Alexi? It's a time now to be happy, as usual. Alexi, oh mama, can you dance battle? Can you? Ayo, Dilon. Yeah, Nagane. Hello, Nagane. After this, remember to subscribe on YouTube, my guy. Mluya wa Mwiki. Americano. Guys, it's Maka Mugenda. Remember to subscribe on YouTube. It's Maka Mugenda. Maka is M-A-K-S space Mugenda. Man from the lakeside. You see the lake. It's a very special vibe. It's a very special vibe. I see Alexi. I see a lot of people watching. Mashila. Is Lake Victoria. Alexio Americano. Achi 60. From 100 to 60 to 50. Zero. Yeah, Blu-ray. Also, the 5 people watching. My name is Maka Mugenda. I'm really sorry for those who I was hanging, my dear. It's just network. But right now, I'm back. Yeah, Director Jordan, how are you? Say hi. Moha, how are you? Let's continue the vibe, guys. Miss Maka Mugenda. It's a very special evening vibe. You are back like never. Do you remember me when I'm Indiani? Director Jordan! Provinciary! Scott also the vibe. Director also the vibe. And remember, it's a vibe, traditional vibe, evening vibe with Maka. I wanna sing to director, videographer. Oh no, Jordan. Oh no, Jordan. Jordan. Oh no, Jordan. Director number one. Yeah. I see Uncle Yo. Executive Baba. We meeting Johnny. Canyon Director number one. Vanilla. The best director, videographer I have never seen before, and this was very serious. Just keep on watching and remember to subscribe on my YouTube channel. It's Maka. Maka is M-A-K-A. Maka Mugenda. Maka Mugenda. Joyce, how are you? Victoria, how are you? Tell me, Vicky. Odano, I'm here. Okay, I'm here, my brother. No worry. No one in Africa. Let's continue. Dama, yes. Rasaman, how are you? How are you, Dama? Rasaman is a faithful man. They never compete. Dama yawa najibu. I say yes, Nico Beach. Mr. William. Yeah. Gando, one love, Rasama, Tony also the is a vibing session. Miss Warui, Emanuela Kiveti, Yogi Pena Kimedi, hello, Bill also the oh, Baba. I see Rosamond, TikTok on the vibe. Peter, Spencer Barigani bwana. Ujambo Peter. Niko sawa. Is a evening vibe. Ayenga. Does it rain? Oh, Selena. Ah, Selena. I see Selena. Peter Spencer. Yeah. Yungi miela mwenye kabisa. Joey. Yungi miela mwenye kabisa. Yungi miela mwenye kabisa. Mishi. Are you coming? Are you coming? I can you dance to Kanungo? Hello, beautiful follows on the vibe. Remember, it's Maka Mugenda. I see Salama. Jody. Yo. Kelawar sosai boy. Ayo, Ali. Gina. I see Stranger Do from United States of America. Ayo. Stranger Do, tell me stranger. It's Maka Mugenda, guys. I really appreciate you. Keep on watching Maka, and remember it's a vibe. Please, I beg all of you watching, please subscribe on my YouTube channel. It's the same name I use in TikTok, Maka Mugenda. Big Davy. Right now, I just want to, I want to sing to beautiful ladies. Where is ladies? Olengenga. Kelly also the vibe. Gina. Olivanguza Uhuru bag. Omera, hiyo ni gani? Bernardo Sundavai. Rasi Edward Nyandimo. Niko salama. Walumba. I can't baby. I see a chiang in the house. Gina. I see director, videographer. Dogina Benevo. Yeah. Nyatiti I see royalty. Nyatiti director, videographer. Are you ready? Yeah. Are you ready? Yeah, Jerry have you seen Maggie? We have the guy with the name director. Music bring happiness. Let me tell you something that you want. Music bring happiness. Emma. Keshavos on the right, 23. Ropa. Get it. I have decided to follow Jesus. Yeah. Someone say you want a gospel. Hey, Omera. Thank you so much. You have to clap for me, guys. You have to clap for me. It's a very special vibe. You have to clap for Maka Mugenda, guys. It's a traditional vibe. Vibrating with nyatiti asubuhi saa hii ni baridi na mvua. hapa Canada. Peter Nyakwar Jamoko. Jamoko ya Jamoko sei. Jamoko. Let's continue the vibe, guys. Peter Spencer, niambie bwana Spencer. Spencer, do you? No. No, nothing like chord here, bwana. No, nothing like chord. Timo is a traditional instrument called nyatiti from Western. Oimore baba. Oimre jaka baba. Yakwajamok! Yani the son, the grandson of the richest. I see Peter Spencer also in Canada. Kimanga John! It's a time now to dance. Dance with Maka. Yakwajamoku. Let me sing to my people. Matthias also the one. Yakwajamoku baba. Kimanga also the vibe. Your songs. Kimanga baba. Matthias Uda. I see Matthias also the vibe. Hey. The grandson of the richest. Cassandra, how are you? Peter Spencer. Cassandra also the one. My guy, just you have to subscribe, my brother. You have to subscribe. You're on YouTube, just subscribe. Sanga also the vibe. The username in YouTube is Maka. The same name in TikTok. You can imagine how you enjoyed it. Life is short, my brother. Yeah! What do I? The son of the man. There's a friend of mine by the name of Toya. The tribe is low. Hello, Casa. Oh, go. Oh, go, Baba. I know in the house. You too, baby, mama. Yeah. I see Wilda Kunigunde. You know me, Baba. Have you seen Kunigunde? Baba, have you seen Kinigunde? Angona Dumba, Babaki, Maka, you know me, Baba. I am me, Baba. I am me, Baba. Let's continue the fight, guys. My Maka Mugenda. Lango boy na. Aneni. Eh bwana, angisini amjibambaring so much. Kinigunde. Kalesta also the watching, guys. Keep on watching. It's Maka Mugenda. Saisia. Thank you so much, General Pushi. Kunigunde, my guy. And remember to subscribe, my guy. Wilda. Kizobi. Let me sing to my brother Kinude. Leon Oseneva. I wanna vibe my brother Kinude. Kinude. A man from Germany. Guten Tag. Gute. YouTube Peter kushoto, mambo ninasema Kiswahili, je unasema Kilunga gani? I speak English and Luo bwana. Alon koruba unimunde ababae Peter Spencer. I'm speaking national language, Omera. I will. Vinay. I'm on Basamir, I was on the vibe. I really appreciate your time. Jerome Babaki. Yalon Koruma. Jerome Congo River. I see my guys say Congo River. Right now I'm in Congo River, guys. My name is Maka Mugenda. Thank you so much. Keep on watching. It's a very special time with Maka. Guys, please subscribe on my YouTube channel. Also, you can watch on YouTube. Because guys, give us support those beautiful talent. Thanks so much, my dropper. Tukutane. Saisio. I see Raimos on the vibe. Baba on the vibe. Timo Angosa. Mombasa Mira Riva on the vibe. Azani. Joy! What do I? Saisi Wadi. Hello! I see Will Didi Soft. What do I? The son of man also never. Have you seen Anna Kinugundi? The daughter of which doctor? She fell in love with a musician. President Jimmy. Hi guys, also support Size. Also have a YouTube channel, guys. He's also a musician. One of the good musician. He's a lady. Nyajoji. Peter Silla, thank you so much. Joe Mama Ngina. I was in Mama Ngina last time, bro. Ilikuwa last week. I was there. Kanega also in the vibe. Peter Spencer. Peter Spencer say goodbye. Now I'm back guys, don't worry. Sunny Davido. Luna. Yes, I in a minya, babae. Ana koyo yonayo, aha koyo yonayo, ya koyo yonayo. Yeah. Triple 99. Aquayo Punyai, Aquayo Punyai, Nana, Sammy Paro Josie, Brown Sugar, Andrew was on the vibe. I just guess I see someone like a Brown Sugar. La Peshnyako. Aye. Limponai game Brown Sugar. Nicolas, Limponai game Nico de Mama. I am Pagriwa. Dodola. That one is too much. That one is too much. That one is too much, bro. Nicholas, that one is too much, my brother. Bera nya bwana. Andiamo bera. Kumbe unakwanga mjaka. Lavesh, kwani unadhani kama Lavesh Okongo nango? You think I'm which tribe? I'm a Luo bwana. I'm a Luo by nature, mera. Don. Sana. I'm a Luo bwana. By calling, not even by name. By calling. Yani, by yawa. Don't even ask. Don't even ask because when you ask, you will be, hey, your mera. Lavesh. Hey, dua manya. Dinyala. Ape kumeli. Ape kumeli. Yahweh. Someone say I want one song for God. Gospel song. Omera. Tanango bwana. Aneni. Jura jura. Razofili. Tawanyine moto malungu. Kwata. Olo ni koe. We're gonna do my baba. Igo baba ye. Igo baba ye. Yeah. I'm Langata. I laid my seals on the vine. I only go. Antaman. La vez nyako yugi. Yameru bona maka. Omwana wengu kwata. La vez nyako yugi. Nyako yugi. Mano jweje muokti. Nyako yugi was created on Monday when God is alive. Yeah, she was created Omera. She was not born. Yakoyugi. Hapa niendelee hapa nisiendelee Omera. Yawa, Nicholas. Lavette was created on Monday, bwana. Monday. She's a little lady, yawa. She's a little lady. You know, the little lady in the money, they were created Omera. They were not born. Go on mwana. Kwa nini? Kwa kuna nini? Cape Courage, morning. This side is morning. Evening one is not morning. Ambasi. Aye, Nicholas. Mami malo jimo. Eddie. Send me my Eddie, my brother. Saikoro. I didn't know Mama. Teddy Asuna. Mami malo jimo. Navano sonde va. Mami, Ogembo, Douglas Ogembo, my guy Ogembo, a very long time. King David also in the vibe. Ayo King David, respect King. Long time. How are you, my brother? I'm fine. I'm great. Chogna tinga. Omera tinga ni anyalo choge ba yuage. Okada wa yuage bwana. Tinga anyalo keto mood mara. Tinga ka chogo. Omera, it will bring jogi. Aye. Mora 001. That means it's Nairobi, Mombasa, Pwani. Ramadan, la belle chanson de mai. Yo boy, I see Ramadan. Yogi kona maga yakulo kulele ay jakulele yona mona mongentinga nikona mona jovetinga tinga amolo madera Tell jakulele I'm really fine, I'm great. Yogi gonna mona venetinga ayo ema gona jamoma labi mayo baba baba I'll make some people to cry here. You know, by the time I start singing, you know, that song, when I sing it seriously, my brother, some people will cry. Some will cry. So I don't want that. Yeah, someone say Yahweh, Yahweh, Yahweh. Right? Everything is Yahweh, Baba. Everything is Yahweh. Nothing is done Yahweh. Alan Gama also the vibe. Yeah. Wazan, long time. Wazan. Ayo. Wazan. Big Downs on the vibe. Allah ni aje. Send me Allah. Jambo. Azani yo. Yeah. Yeah, I'm good, my brother. Seje moko chunya paro I wanna sing, I wanna jump, I wanna boom, I need a them, yeah, I need a them, I need a them, I need it, ayo. I'm really happy to see you. Hello. I have a YouTube channel, please you can subscribe, watch. My name is Maka. M-A-K-A? Maka? Mugenda. Yeah, Maka Mugenda. I'm really happy to see you, Omega. Yeah. Ben, nilipata affordable. Kuna jamaa ako nayo. Nini hiyo? Nilichukua. Ba nilichukua na 5k. Hiyo 5k. Poa. You know, people are pausing. I'm really sorry for not concentrating in one thing. I'm really sorry, guys. Wow. Person, are you watching? I see someone Makulu. That one name that I like. Magulukulu. Diga tu, nishakubali. Enrico's also nearby. Legend also right. I have decided I will go to Manoja and go to Manoja. Voluntas. Hi, how are you? You're fine?
What are you doing?
I'm streaming.
Hi, people.
Yeah, I'm streaming.
Hi, how many people? Now you are going to up the views.
Thank you so much.
How much?
Where are you
people?
From? Where are you from?
Ahí te difumine la cara, un filtro.
Where are you from?
Spain.
Oh, Spain.
And you?
I'm a Kenyan.
Kenyan. Yeah. And this dress?
This is skin is a traditional attire of my culture.
Oh, okay.
So
very good.
Thank you so much. Nice to meet you. Emmanuel Lucas, oh my God. Guten Tag. Sibrosa. Hello. Jambo. Poa. How are you?
How are you?
I'm fine. It's Maka.
Influencer.
Thank you so much.
So Maka is my friend, and I want Maka to give me a special treat today for mom.
Oh,
What's your name?
Rita.
Kita.
Rita.
Kita.
No, echt.
Hika.
Rita. Like Margarita. Rita.
Hika.
Rita, yeah.
Hika. Guys, you have to wait. Sibrosa, I'll sing for you. Let me sing. Do something for Hita. And you? What's your name?
Kati.
Kathy.
I have decided to sing to guitar. Oh, guitar. Oh, guitar. Mama Kati. Yeah. Mama Kati. Kati, you are so lucky to have beautiful man. Beautiful man. You caring man. Yeah. It's a more beauty. It's a more beauty. Without to make up. Yeah. Without to make up. Are you dancing? Are you jumping? Are you bouncing? Are you shaking? It's a shake. It's a shake. Hello. It's a shake. Honey. Hi guys, keep on watching. Hi guys, keep on watching. I really appreciate guys. Keep on watching. I want to give you the last the song. I see someone. Oh yeah. Evans Moto. Evans Moto, are you still there? Hello. Hello, Evans. Are you still there? I don't know. I think I hung up. Yeah, Emanuela, I have to stop because of time. Right now, time is now. What energy? Yeah, time is now. On my side. I have to. Karedi. How are you? Karedi. I think I have to let guys because of time. For security purpose. For security. Halima, guys, I think we have to meet tomorrow by morning, very early in the morning. I think I'll give you the last by mtoto wa mganga amependa mwanamuziki, amependa yeah, amependa mwanamuziki. Aliponiona kwa mara ya kwanza alifurahi, aliponiona kwa mara ya kwanza alifurahi. How are you guys?
How are you?
I'm coming, guys. Don't move.
You're live. Live TikTok.
I was now living.
So famous.
Thank you so much.
How are you?
My name is Mark.
Saloma.
From where?
Cameroon.
Some Cameroonian last week.
What is this? Ngoni? Play something. Salomon.
Solomon.
Oh, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
Thank you.